Okay, we're going to get our modem set back up. So we have the modem's power supply, the modem itself, and this is our cable coming in from the wall, so that's important. Yeah, so let's just get started. I want to keep my modem at the bottom of the device, so we'll throw it here. Power cord, just plug all the way into the right, and then on the back there's just a little slot for it here. There you go. Then you have your cable. I don't want to screw it in here just yet. I'm going to make sure it's everything's in the right place. I have to kind of run it through, so I'll do it in there, and then we'll use this to run to our router, the Ethernet port. Okay. So power's in. Here's the cable. Takes a second to screw it all on. Alright, I'm back up and running here. So I'm also going to take this, I'm ready to plug it in. So I'm going to feed it through, there's a little square right here. So let's just try to get it out right, there's so much of it. Kind of embarrassing. Get out of here. Okay. So now the cable's running outside of the system. And we'll go down and let's plug it in. We are on our way. Is that the first time we see any power? Yeah. Okay, so our modem is booting up. Yeah, great news. So, we got one of our panels in, we've got power supply, and we have the first part of our modem hooked up. So, take a look at how that looks. Whoop. Sorry about that. Yeah, so it's just going to live back in here. And then that's all of our power to keep things moving, and we're going to get our router set up real soon. So, perfect. Okay.